Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the blue-headed quail dove. So they will be around the suburbs area during day, dusk, and nighttime, but they won't appear when it is dawn. You also need to be level 11 of the bird watching hobby. And also, it appears during either rainbow or sunny weather, so it won't appear when it is raining. And yeah, it's going to be around the suburbs area, just like walking on the streets. This was just luck, I guess. I wasn't recording or planning to record this video, but it just appeared in front of me. So I was like, okay, I gotta make a video right now. So yep, that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.